going to draw and color donut which starts from the letter D. The things we need are rubber, pencil, black sketch pen and some colors. So first we are going to make a perfect circle. You can take a circular shape to draw this, and then we'll leave some space and we'll draw one more outside. Now we are going to draw curved lines like this, so it looks like the strawberry flavor or any flavor is melting down like this. Now we will outline this. Now this is a donut and my flavor will be strawberry. So I will color pink here. Like this. So I will take brown color and I will color it on the down side so that it looks like chocolate. And now our donut is ready. So now our delicious donut is ready. A donut is a dessert and it is of different kinds, and my favorite one is chocolate flavor. Thank you.